You can't start the next chapter if you keep rereading the last. You don't have to defend or explain your decision to anyone. It's your life. Live it without apologize. Every situation in life is temporary, so when life is good, make sure you enjoy and receive it fully. And when life is not so good, remember that it will not last forever and better days are on the way. Happiness is not a goal, it's a byproduct of a life well lived. Being with no one is better than being with the wrong one. Sometimes those who fly solo have the strongest wings.